Construction makes up the core of our activities. It is a constructor's call and duty to continuously improve the space in which we live. Every building is constructed for the generations of today and tomorrow.
Ponosni smo na prehojeno pot in dosežene rezultate.
Our limited first steps have led us to becoming the leading construction company in southeastern Slovenia. In 60 years, over 1,000 constructions have been built, so creating a permanent mark in the space. In the last decade, we have gone beyond the frontiers of the Bela Krajina region and neighboring Croatia, as we have taken on the entire Slovenian market.
Gradbeništvo je zelo kreativen posel, v katerem uspevajo podjetja z jasno vizijo in jasnimi cilji. Begradu to uspeva že 60 let.
In the past years, numerous residential buildings have been designed and built, which offer warm dwelling and comfortable living. Many generations of nursery schools and school children are enjoying the special building designs that are making their educational path to a brighter future so much easier and more pleasant. By constructing sports facilities, we are providing for a healthy lifestyle of all generations. We keep on track with fast business growth and development by constructing for Slovenian and international companies. The blossoming of modern shopping centers keeps us in step with the times of modern shopping. Amusement facilities stand side by side other building constructions. We are proud to be able to say that we have also built hospitals and primary healthcare centers. Begrad is distinguished for its reliability, expertise and knowledge. Constantly and in all areas we bring to life our motto, for a better world. We follow our mission and assure an expert service to our clients and business partners with a complete assortment of services, from design to handing over the key. This demands great flexibility, so outside experts have been invited to work with us. In this way we benefit from the expertise and knowledge of building construction demanded by the modern market. Timely construction at a competitive price and required quality is guaranteed. Numerous ideas have been brought to life which are being developed further. We are convinced that only a mind open to ideas and a responsible approach to construction enable a trustworthy and reliable position on the market. Begrad, for a better world. The past has not been forgotten but is focused on the future that we are creating here and now. Begrad's development has been particularly marked by several milestones. Year 1947. Establishment of Begrad's pioneering company, Chernomel District Construction Company. Year 1977. Begrad merges with the obrtno-komunalno podjetje into a new company, GOK Chernomel. Year 1989. Begrad becomes Begrad Chernomel, a regional construction company for the whole of the Bela Krajina region, thanks to independence of Komunala and trade. Year 1995. A daughter company, Begrad in Croatia, is established, the leading construction company in northeastern Croatia, offering complete construction solutions to investors. Year 1999. Reorganization of the company. Begrad Joint Stock Company moves its headquarters to the capital of the Dolinska region. Begrad's headquarters in Novo Mesto combine management and engineering. At the same time, another daughter company is established, Begrad Chernomor. Year 2003. Yet another daughter company is established, Begrad Krčko, a company famous for its reinforced concrete prefabricated constructions and elements with a rich variety of technological novelties. Begrad employs 400 people. We are aware of keeping up with the times and development, taking the path of ever-increasing knowledge. In a constant process of broadening our expert knowledge and experience, we invest in our staff and provide our experts with continuous training, ensuring that they are prepared for the construction challenges of tomorrow. We invest in the individual and grow with their achievements. All Begrad's interventions into the environment are performed with caution. Our aim is to offer a high culture of living to our clients, excellently adapting to the designs of our architects who possess a superior sense for design. We respect the environment, and the breadth of concrete we set in place only goes to enrich its beauty and glory. In the glory of nature, the concrete speaks in the colors of the human being, warm and alive, flirting with nature. Children's laughter fills the playground. The birds are dancing on the rooftops.
Danes optimistično zremo v prihodnost.
Begrad is headed towards a future of favorable local and regional development and will take on the tough global sphere. Our vision of success is optimistically inspired. We meet our investors' expectations and make our promises come true. 60 years of Begrad for a better world.